Welcome to Holistic Korean with Dr. Moon. Thank you for clicking on this video to join Korean Vocabulary for Beginners, Topic 1, Volume 4. In this lesson, we will learn 50 new Korean words for beginners. I will say each word in English, followed by the Korean word. Then there will be a bell sound so you can practice by yourself. Let's begin.
1. Gum.
Gum.
2. Surely, definitely, without fail.
꼭.
꼭.
3. Flower.
꽃.
꽃.
4. Flower shop.
꽃집.
꽃집.
5. To dream, to have a dream.
꾸다.
꾸다.
6. Dream.
꿈.
꿈.
7. To turn off, to put out a fire, light.
끄다.
끄다.
8. To boil, to cook by boiling.
끓이다.
끓이다.
9. End.
끝.
끝.
10. To end, to be finished.
끝나다.
끝나다.
11. To finish, to complete.
끝내다.
끝내다.
12. To wear gloves, glasses, ring.
끼다.
끼다.
13. I, me.
나.
나.
14. To go out, to leave.
나가다.
나가다.
15. To divide, to share.
나누다.
나누다.
16. To happen, to occur, to be produced.
나다.
나다.
17. Country, nation.
나라.
나라.
18. Tree, wood.
나무.
나무.
19. To become worse, to deteriorate.
나빠지다.
나빠지다.
20. To be bad.
나쁘다.
나쁘다.
21. To come out, to appear.
나오다.
나오다.
22. Age.
나이.
나이.
23. Later, afterwards.
나중.
나중.
24. To appear, to show up.
나타나다.
나타나다.
25. 4 days.
나흘.
나흘.
26. Fishing.
낚시.
낚시.
27. Day.
날.
날.
28. Weather.
날씨.
날씨.
29. Date.
날짜.
날짜.
30. Other people, someone else.
남.
남.
31. To leave something behind, to save.
남기다.
남기다.
32. Men and women.
남녀.
남녀.
33. Namdaemun market.
남대문 시장.
남대문 시장.
34. Younger brother.
남동생.
남동생.
35. South America.
남미.
남미. 남미.
36. North and south.
남부,
남북,
37. Man, male.
남자,
남자,
38. South side.
남쪽,
남쪽,
39. Husband.
남편,
남편,
40. Male student.
남학생,
남학생,
41. Daytime afternoon.
낮,
낮,
42. To be low.
낮다,
낮다,
43. My me casual, possessive.
네,
네,
44. I me as in, I, as the subject.
내가,
내가,
45. Internal medicine department.
내과,
내과,
46. Next year.
내년,
내년,
47. To pay to submit to hand in.
내다,
내다,
48. To go down to descend.
내려가다,
내려가다,
49. To come down.
내려오다,
내려오다,
50. To go down to get off.
내리다,
내리다.
Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Learning a new language is a journey, and you are doing an amazing job. Please leave a comment using the sentence, I will learn 50 new words today. If you found this lesson helpful and would like to learn more Korean, please consider subscribing to this channel. Hitting the bell icon will also notify you when new lessons are available. Your support really helps the channel grow.